so excited. I'm getting ready to do my hair. With like a sexy ginger pumpkin spice. Ooh. Keep on watching, people.
Hey, Mommy.
Welcome to my life. LettyShow. Hey guys, what's up? So I know it's been a little while, but I've just been taking a break from all kinds of stuff. I know I've been doing this thing for a while, but I took a little break and I made some of my videos private too, because I just want to revamp everything that I've been doing, vlogging and music and whatever for the last 10 years. But anyways, I wanted you guys to join me on how to go from red hair. This is actually faded out. I used some Head and Shoulders. Quick disclaimer, guys, I'm by no means a licensed hair care professional. I am doing this at my own risk. What works for me may not always work best for you. So yeah, dye your hair at home at your own risk. Okay, thank you, bye. I lightened it, but I'll go into detail with that. But there's a bunch of videos you can look up on how to do that. But I pretty much faded it out. It's like a peachy, not pink, but you know, rose gold. I don't know what to explain it, but oh, I'll also have a carve cut. That's another story. But anyways, so yeah, so if you want to know how I went from red to pumpkin, ginger, Cajun spice, what have you, I'm gonna be using this Loreal Féria Copper in C74. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on watching, and I'll probably just do a voiceover because I'm going to be zoned out listening to music. So keep on watching if you want to know how to get that hot ginger pumpkin spice look that's really hot. Alright, love you, bye. Okay, one more thing, guys. If you see I look greasy in the video, it's actually because of this. A lot of people try lotion and stuff along the hairline, but what I really recommend is actually putting it not just on your hairline but around your ears and all that kind of stuff. I'll show you how I do that. So here I have the L'Oreal Paris Féria Power Copper 3-time highlight and Copper Crave. I have a mixing bowl because I like to mix it and then I just dump it in there. I have a brush because I'm going to actually dye my eyebrows. And then I wanted to show you after when I lightened my hair, how I fitted it out was I've just been dyeing, I've been washing it with some Head and Shoulders. It's been fading out, and then I lightened it with the 20 volume. I got this at Sally's, the Argan Oil Hair Color, and then I mix it with a little bit of baking powder, the Arm & Hammer one. I'm not a professional, guys. You know, what works for me might not work for you, so take it at your own risk. There's a lot of videos on how to do that, but I've been doing it for years, where I get the baking, the Arm & Hammer, just a little bit, and I mix it with the 20 developer, and it lightens my hair and doesn't damage it as much as bleach. I have tried colors, but I don't recommend it because for one, it stinks, and I feel like it leaves my hair super dry and damaged. But that's pretty much how I faded mine's out. But anyway, after I dye my hair, I always love to go in with this leave-in conditioner. I like to use a lock method, a leave-in, an oil and a cream to style it, but that's another video. But I've been really digging this Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture coconut milk, and I really love it. It smells yummy, so I've just been digging this oil to bring back the nutrients. I like to use this to wipe off the excess dye, and then I just have extra things like gloves and scissors and, you know, different stuff like that, different extra brushes to help comb through the product, just to make sure it is dispersed evenly. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start mixing everything up, and let's get started. First off, I get this petroleum jelly. A lot of people put it around their hairlines, but I really like to focus on my ears, my neck, and wherever dye can fall. And I also like to put it on my wrists and elbows because dye tends to fall there. And then I like to put it on my face because I do not like when my face gets dyed. And then I just put it on the back of my neck. And that's pretty much what helps the dye not stick. So that's a little tip. A lot of people use lotion, but I like to use petroleum jelly. Alright, so now let's get into the dye. First, we're going to go ahead and put our gloves on. I really don't like to use the dye the gloves that come in the dye, so I really recommend you get a strong set of gloves. They actually sell these at like beauty supply stores. But yeah, so go ahead and get your gloves. See, I have the bowl, and here's the content. So we have the directions.
We have the shampoo conditioner. You want to put that aside. That should last you a week, depending on how often you wash your hair. This is the ones with both twice. And then we have the shimmering developer. And then we have this. Oh, sorry, this is the conditioner shampoo. And then we have the color. And then it comes with this little color booster. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it. Spritz up the slime, so I'm sure you guys don't want to see me mix it. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Once I mix it up, I'm going to go ahead and put it in a mixing bowl, and then I'll show you.
Don't really show you how to mix it. I know some people that are experienced might know, but for the newbies, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna show them, because maybe there's some people that haven't seen how these bright colors get mixed and they're newbies, so whatever. All right, so you're gonna pour contents 1, 2. Then it says to pour the serum. I'm guessing this is like to keep it give nutrients while it's dyeing, processing. And then I always like to keep the box because I always toss whatever in there. And then this is like, oh shit, this is a color boosting gel. And the instructions say to put all of that stuff in there. So that's gonna give it that vibrant color or whatever. So I'm gonna shake it up and then dump it in the bowl, and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm pretty terrified. It's really orange. This is coming from someone that's out her hair like freaking blue and all kinds of crazy colors. I've been dyeing my hair about 20 something years, and I'm like nervous. I hope it comes out really good, but I'm scared, you guys. I'm so scared. I'm scared. Alright, you guys, wish me Luzuk. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there. Oh, actually, I like to put the tops on, but yeah. Let's get ready for this adventure. All right, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so you see I have my hair parted, and oh my goodness, my hair is like this because it's actually wavy, so I brushed it out. But I'm gonna just go ahead and start at my roots. I have this is all my growth, and I don't want to lighten it, so I'm just gonna get started going piece by piece. And the color deepened significantly. Now it's like a burnt orange. Let me show you. Hey guys, so here's the final reveal. It's coming off red, but I promise you on camera it's really pretty. It's a nice orange. I'll go through a couple videos in the sunlight tomorrow. There's a lot of fires going on in California, so I'm breaking out in hives everywhere. I opened a window and all the dust came in, and the smoke, for some reason, it's always like fire smoke. It does this to me. So crazy. But anyways, when I have makeup on and stuff in the sunlight, you guys will be able to see it, okay? I'll be back and check in with you tomorrow. Gosh, you guys, this hair is so bright. I freaking love it, dude. I wanted to show you a natural light with no filters.